What a beautiful day in early October. You know, it would be a great day to work on this derby car, but here in Ontario, the COVID cases are going back up. I think they're at like 800 cases per day right now. They're predicting by Thanksgiving that it'll be over 1,000 cases per day here in Ontario, with 75% of them in Toronto and Peel. So anyway, what they've done is they've tightened the restrictions on gatherings, which means we used to be allowed 100 people, and now we're allowed, I think, 10 right now. So with that news, there was a post put up on Facebook last night. Let's see if I can bring it up right now. There you go. Public notice: Ontario Demolition Derby, Treasure Island Resort Off-Road Mud Park has been cancelled. Basically, blah blah blah, sorry, blah blah blah, you get your money back, blah blah blah, COVID sucks. So, this is the point we're at right now. We can't do anything right now. There's no more derbies for me here in Ontario, which kind of sucks. Actually, to be honest, it really, really sucks. But we have a car here. I'm kind of happy I didn't put the bumpers on, because now who knows what 2021 is going to hold, where this car is going to go, what it's going to do. But the car is pretty much built now, so it kind of saves a little bit more time. There's still little things I want to do, like maybe tighten these bolts down. But honestly, as of right now, we have a pretty much fully built car that is ready for a demolition derby. The only thing we're going to do is we're going to store it over there for the winter now. And I kind of have some things that I want to try for the upcoming 2021 season. I got a whole bunch of stuff ordered, performance parts, upgrades to the motor, and we're going to be... don't really even want to discuss them online that much, because if I discuss them, then you guys are going to know what I'm doing, if that makes any sense. So we'll hold off on that, but we'll see. We got to tear down this motor, which is the motor coming out of that car, take everything that's useful and save it, take everything that's not useful and freaking toss her. We still have to do the math inside this. I've came up with a different plan, so we'll be kind of going through this motor and doing that. But as this car sits right now, it's pretty much built. We got the cage in, we got the gas tank in it, we got the shifter, we got the battery, we got the fuel pressure regulator, we got the toggle switches, we got the back end done, we got the donuts, we got the rear all lubricated and taken apart. But there's some stuff coming, that's for sure. But what I'm saying is, it kind of sucks. But on the plus side, today's the first day of bow hunting season here in Ontario, and I have been just dialing in my bow. With all this extra time that I haven't been able to go to demolition derbies, at 45 yards, I'm hitting nickels, which is crazy. So I'm pretty happy with that, and you guys might make fun of me because of crossbow, but because of my collarbone being broken so much when I was younger, I can't use a compound bow. But who knows what the future holds. We still got the sled that we got to do some stuff to before the snow comes, but with the 25-degree weather today, I don't think the snow is coming anytime super shortly. But there's still quite a bit of work that has to be done to this car. The brakes need to be done, the hood, bumper, plates, probably a lot more. I should have written down a whole bunch of stuff that I need to do on this. We have this system right here that I actually bought about a month ago, but I haven't really had time or energy to kind of work on it. But you know what? Because 2021's coming, I bet you this is going to be in that car in no time. But there's plenty of things that we are doing here in Zach's workshop. Starting to get a little fancy with AN fittings, fuel pressure regulators, stuff like that. So there's quite a bit of goodies coming for the 2021 season, and I'm kind of really excited. So thanks everybody for watching. Will be our probably, I usually do about 25 derbies a year, so this will be like the 26th derby that's been canceled on me this year, which kind of really sucks. But you know, everybody's saying stick together, we'll be okay. Just take the time, make sure you're okay, make sure your family's okay, make sure your friends are okay. Not being able to hang around with people definitely puts a damper on situations, but we're all going to get through this. There's going to be more years to come, everybody. It's definitely been a little bit harder for me and the wife this year, not being able to get out and see our friends. The demolition derbies are basically our main means of commingling with all of our friends and getting basically out of the house. So we've had to come up with different hobbies this year, and it kind of really sucks. I just kind of miss just smashing these cars. But I want to say thanks everybody for watching, and thanks for everybody for just sticking through this year. We'll see you back here shortly, but unfortunately this car is not going to be ran. So I'm just going to start it up and move it over there, and that's pretty much going to be the end of her.